can get for $75 in Bangkok. This was last minute and not the hotel I was actually supposed to be staying at. I was supposed to be staying at the Somerset or something like that in Bangkok, but I got confused with the date. So make sure that when you read your flight, understand that you're going to be landing in Bangkok time. So if you think you're going to be landing on a Thursday, 11 times out of 10 you're going to be landing on a Friday. Or if that's not the case, cool, but highly likely that'd be the case because they're 14 hours ahead. So I accidentally booked my hotel for the wrong date and they weren't able to adjust the date, long story short. So I booked this hotel literally during my layover over here. So this is just for the night. It's $76, so let's check it out. Thank you, man. Two buildings.
Club Sky Lounge. This is for the guests who book the Club Sky room.
Oh.
If you would like to join for the Club Sky Lounge, you have to pay more.
What, 1,500 baht?
Yes, around that. And Bawashi restaurant, this is just the restaurant you can enter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it's both on the 16th floor.
Yes.
Okay.
This one, executive lounge.
Sorry. That's the lounge. How you doing? Can't complain. Bangkok. We finally here, man. That's what's up though. And it's like a little kitchen right there.
Yes.
Okay.
This is you get the.
and then this is the restaurant.
This restaurant
with a bar and lounge. Yeah. Sawadee Krab, how you doing? I'm just exploring. Might come here in the evening, seeing what the vibes is. Sawadee Krab, my brother. I'm gonna be honest.
You also have the fitness club.
Okay, the fitness joint. Oh wait, the pool bar and the swimming pool is separate or is the same?
Separate. This one main off is the same.
Okay.
Same place.
Okay.
This is steam room. Separate.
Okay.
Female.
Okay. Oh shit, it's a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
And then it's all good. I gotta look at that, what that is in feet.
Yeah.
But the bar is inside the joint.
The bar. Yeah. Not that huge of this pool bar.
Okay.
But I think it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a smoking area.
Yeah.
It's a lovely day to up